Hello everyone, it's me Manoj Bohra. Today we will discuss about the hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is the process of the origin, development, and maturation of blood cell that include the RBC, WBC and platelet. At first, pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell. Pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell can be converted into burst forming unit BFU, and it further can be converted into clone forming unit CFU. Then it further can be divided into two cell lines. One is myeloid cell line, another is lymphoid cell line. Myeloid cell line further can be classified into three can be classified into three groups: clone forming unit erythrocyte, clone forming unit granulocyte monocyte, clone forming unit megakaryocyte. Then clone forming unit erythrocyte, erythropoietin hormone, which is secreted by the kidney, stimulate the clone forming unit erythrocyte. Then clone forming erythrocyte can be changed into proerythroblast. Proerythroblast further can be converted into basophilic erythroblast. Then basophilic erythroblast can be changed into polychromatic erythroblast. Then polychromatic erythroblast further can be changed into orthochromatic erythroblast. Then orthochromatic erythroblast further can be changed into reticulocyte. Reticulocyte can be changed into mature RBC. Reticulocyte can be changed into mature RBC. From the proerythroblast to orthoerythroblast, it can be happen in a bone marrow, but the erythrocyte can be circulated in a blood stream, and after the 1 to 2 days, reticulocyte can be changed into mature RBC. Then clone forming unit granulocyte monocyte. Granulocyte can be converted interleukin 3, interleukin 5. Granulocyte clone stimulating factor act on the clone forming unit granulocyte, and it can be converted into myeloblast. Then this myeloblast, myeloblast can be changed into three category, that is basophilic, basophilic promyeloblast, eosinophilic promyeloblast, and neutrophilic promyeloblast. Then basophilic promyeloblast can be changed into basophilic myelocyte, and eosinophilic promyeloblast can be changed into eosinophilic myelocyte. Then neutrophilic promyeloblast can be changed into neutrophilic myelocyte. Then basophilic myelocyte further can be changed into basophilic myelocyte further can be changed into eosinophilic myeloblast can be changed into basophilic myeloblast can be changed into basophilic band cell. Then basophilic band cell can be changed into basophil. Similarly, eosinophilic band cell it further can be converted into eosinophils. Similarly, neutrophilic band cell, the neutrophilic band cell can be converted into neutrophils. Then this granulocyte, then this can be in the presence of interleukin 3, interleukin 5, a granulocyte clone stimulating factor, then it can be converted into monoblast, then it further can be converted into monocyte, then monocyte can be converted into monocyte, which can be circulating in blood, monocyte in blood, then it further can be converted into macrophage, which is in tissue. Then clone forming unit megakaryocyte can be changed into megakaryoblast in the presence of thrombopoietin hormone, which can be secreted by a kidney and liver, then it can be converted into megakaryoblast. Megakaryoblast can be converted into megakaryocyte. This then it can be converted into megakaryocyte. Megakaryocyte is the largest blood cell that present in bone marrow. Then it further can be converted into platelet. Similarly, lymphoid cell line, in the presence of interleukin 3, interleukin 5, a granulocyte colony stimulating factor, it can be changed into lymphoblast. Then lymphoblast further can be changed into lymphocyte, and lymphocyte can be pro-lymphocyte can be converted into lymphocyte. Then lymphocyte furtherly can be changed into T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte. T lymphocyte can be further transformed into 4 types. One is T helper cell, T killer cell, suppressor T cell, memory T cell. Then B lymphocyte can be changed into 2 types. One is plasma cell, which produce the antibody. Another is memory cell. Thank you everyone for watching the